Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is all about this hair that I am rocking right now. So if you want to learn more about this lace front wig, then definitely keep on watching. Alright you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. We are making our way to 20,000 subscribers. I am more than excited. When we get to 20,000, I'm going to have a huge giveaway. So make sure you're sharing my videos and telling all your friends to go and subscribe. Alright you guys, so this unit is from Maxine Hair. I will insert a quick unboxing so you guys can check it out. Alright, so you guys saw what the hair looked like when I first got it. So I went ahead and just laid my lace down. I added a little bit of powder and a touch of baby hairs. And then I went ahead and blow dried the hair out and I flat ironed the hair. This hair was very resistant to straightening. Like there's still a bend in the hair. You can sort of see some waves in the hair, which was really, really annoying. I'm gonna have to take the hair off, blow it out section by section and flat iron it section by section. I thought it would be fine for me to just, you know, lay my lace and, you know, straighten the hair while it's on my head. But clearly this is going to take a lot more heat and a lot more time to straighten all the way. That was a tad bit annoying, but what I will say is the wig is very, very beautiful. I'm going to turn around so you can check out this hair from all sides. So this is their 22-inch wig, and in my eyes this wig is much longer than 22 inches. To me it seems closer to 26 inches. This wig is hitting me well below my bust line. It's almost to, you know, it's all the way to my waistline actually. So this wig is very, very long. Another downside to this wig is just that I feel like it's thin, but some people will probably say this is more of a natural density. This is the 130 density, but you know, I'm so extra. I would much prefer like a 150 or 180 density because I just like to be doing the most. So this is for, you know, you girls who want to just look natural in your units. The hairline did come pre-plucked, but I did pluck this section of the hairline because I knew I wanted to wear it flipped over. I added a little bit of my hairspray and that's and a little bit of my powder, and that's pretty much all I did. If you guys like my eyeshadow look today and my makeup today, I did record it. This is my first time doing a makeup tutorial in probably a year, so I would really appreciate the support if you went over and watched that video and left me a comment because I was super nervous recording that video, you guys. Anyway, getting back to the hair. So Maxine Hair, the shipping was pretty fast and the customer service was awesome. A lady named Candace has been in communication with me the whole time and she's really, really sweet and made sure I got exactly what I wanted. And so I would definitely suggest you guys checking out Maxine Hair. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this hair and see how it wears for the next couple of weeks. And if you guys have questions, definitely leave them in the information bar down below. And yeah, make sure you're checking out my website, www.JessTheDragoness.com, where you can grab your slow-mo so lit shirts and sweatshirts, and you can also grab some of my hair. Yeah, and some of the hair is up to 40% off. So definitely definitely check out JessTheDragoness.com. All right, you guys, make sure you're following me on all my social media at JessTheDragoness, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.